Hello everyone, this is Coach Carol. I'm here at the Easyspeak help desk and today I'm focusing on agenda basics. If you need more help, you can find more resources with links to a host of interesting webinars, slide decks and other resources at the Easyspeak help desk on smore.com. Today's presentation is all about agendas. We'll go through two main parts: how to create the agendas, customize and print them, and then secondly, how to fill the agendas by assigning and scheduling. You'll also see examples from the King Arthur's Playground, like this printed agenda. The steps for the VPE in creating a meeting are as follows. Select the Create Meeting from your VPE tasks in the left-hand menu or from the Meetings menu at the top. Select the event type, the date and time, and of course the venue and a meeting manager. You can add any details in the message body and then click Submit. Let's add a meeting to King Arthur's site and find out how that's done. In this club meeting at King Arthur's Playground, the subject has been set. It's a Toastmaster meeting. The date and time are in place, along with the venue, club name, and meeting number, some of which are automatic. Meeting theme and agenda have been selected, and the meeting manager is in place. Here's a close-up view of part of the agenda awaiting assignments. You can see that one is in place already, and that's Peter Pan. When you are ready to assign others a role in the meeting, use the drop-down arrow alongside each role. Then select the person from the membership list that appears. Here's how the agenda looks with all the assignments in place. You'll notice question marks against most of them, and that is because they've not yet accepted the role. If you know in advance that they are happy to be that role player, then click into the box on the right-hand side of each. If you need to change them, click the red cross to reassign. If you need to add extra roles into your meeting agenda, you will need to select the Edit screen for your assignment agenda and then add the role by clicking into the icon on the extreme left, the one with the small squares. You can then move that particular role up or down, and if you need to, you can delete it as well. Here we'll show you how to configure the agenda item in the pop-up window that appears next. For this particular event, the Toastmaster has been selected, the time, and how it should show on the agenda when printed. All that needs to be done now is to click the new agenda item at the bottom of the screen. That part's pretty easy. Working with templates can be a little more complex, but you'll get used to it. You can select an agenda from the drop-down list and then save. You can also delete templates that are no longer used or create new ones. Here's how we select or change a template for an agenda. First, you select the agenda edit icon, and then from the drop-down list of templates, choose the one you want and click Save. You'll eventually create several preferable templates. If you create more than 16, the red notice will appear, like the one on this screen. We'll simply go back and delete the old ones. Then print, or select the print agenda icon to show how it will print. Make your adjustments, then go back and reprint. Don't forget that there are agendas available for mobile devices, so do advise your members on how to collect those. Next, we'll move to the filling of the agendas. We'll select a meeting agenda, we'll assign some roles, and we'll even show you how to schedule speeches for members, even if they don't send you a request. Anything that you do here on the agenda needs to be saved, of course. Let's fill an agenda at the King Arthur's Playground site. As I said, if you need to request and schedule a speech for a member, perhaps that person does not have the ability to do so online. In the agenda screen, choose the icon alongside the speaker position. A pop-up screen will appear in which you can select their name. You will then see the pop-up window for requesting a speech. There are 3 tabs involved. The speech title is first. The workbook and speech project is second. In this example, the Competent Communication Manual Project 6 has been selected and will automatically be scheduled for the date of the meeting you're currently looking at. If you need to start a new workbook, that's easy. When you get to the Workbook Speech tab, use the drop-down arrow where it says Select a Workbook. In this example, you'll see that the Storytelling Manual has been selected. To request an educational, it's a similar process, but first make sure that an educational item has been added to your agenda. Then click into the icon again, select the person, and then request that speech or educational on their behalf. It's a similar process, only this time you're selecting from workbooks that are all about education. In this case, Project 6, Meeting Roles and Responsibilities, from the Successful Club series has been selected. final thing to do is to accept on behalf of that person. Do this by clicking on the green thumbs up icon. Then all will be in place for your agenda. If you need more help, there are quite a few video tutorials at YouTube. Just go to youtube.com and search for the Easyspeak support team. Thanks everyone for viewing this first edition of the pre-recorded sessions. Of course, if you need to contact me for other information, please email me at easyspeakchampion@gmail.com.